Once upon a time, in a remote village nestled high in the mountains, there lived a Buddhist monk named Quan. Quan was known throughout the region for his peaceful demeanor and wise teachings. People would often seek his counsel and guidance in times of joy and sorrow. One winter, a devastating snowstorm swept through the village, leaving behind a trail of destruction. Many homes were destroyed, and the villagers faced immense hardships. Quan, with his compassionate heart, felt the pain of his people and decided to help them in any way he could. He gathered the surviving villagers in the village square and spoke to them with a heavy heart. "My dear friends," he said, "we have suffered a great loss due to this calamity. Our homes are gone, and our possessions destroyed. But remember, true happiness does not lie in material